Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Zilliqa, my friends. What's going on this time in Zilliqa? People ask me questions about Zilliqa. That can Zilliqa will make us millionaire or not? Tell me in the comment box, my friends. You also tell me. I'm waiting for your answer. Now, my friends, if you look the latest update of Zilliqa, if you look the price change of the Zilliqa, so I think there's no doubt they will make you rich, my friends. There's no doubt. And now this time in the start of June, the Zilliqa will start a huge jump. So there's no doubt that they will make you millionaire and the June, my friends. Let's see the latest update of Zilliqa. What's going on this time in Zilliqa? You can see here the latest update. 0.1294 USD dollar is the currently latest update of the Zilliqa. And if you look the price change so on the Zilliqa, so the pricing is going positive. Last 1 hour pricing is positive. Last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is also going positive, my friends. In this time the whole chain is going positive. Last 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Zilliqa, my friends. Let's see the price chart. You can see here, my friends, that is the last 1 hour price chart of the Zilliqa. Absolutely, the last 1 hour pricing is going positive, and I'm very happy to see they goes like a straight line, they goes like a rocket, my friends. And I'm very happy, I'm very excited to see, my friends. There is no doubt to Zilliqa will make a millionaire, because now you can see the last 1 hour pricing is positive. So if they continue this kind of jump, so there's no doubt that they will make a millionaire. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Zilliqa? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.